Yo Kapoor, what is happening? Everyone is talking about this busy week. Everyone is talking about these different type of ecosystems and narratives that are coming up. For example, the privacy narrative, the base ecosystem, the AI agents coming back. What are we trading? Guys, we've been in the perfect trades and we will remain on the right side of the market. Just give me 8 to 10 minutes in this video. I'm going to show you all the charts and we'll make sure that there is no confusion at all. Without wasting any time, guys, let's go. So we've got the banter bubbles open and we can see how majority of the tokens are green right now, 95% of the tokens, but there are few tokens which are actually showing a lot of strength and we're going to talk about them. For example, these virtuals, the AI agents and privacy tokens. But first, we are making money as well. The Bitfunded account is actually killing it. We are doing good trades. We've got the Solana and Sui trade open. I gave this trade on my Discord. I gave this trade on Twitter. I gave this trade on YouTube. No one can say otherwise. You just need to follow my Twitter. You need to watch these videos and you will be on the right side of the market. Now guys, prop trading is one of the best ways to make a lot of capital. The link is in the description. You can use the promo code, get the discount and live trade with me. Why not? Why not? In the Discord as well. Last night I posted the TP1 on Sui and this morning I posted the TP1 on Syrup. We are killing it. We are actually killing it. Yes, we are making pennies, not a lot of money, but we're trading good. No, I'm kidding. We are making a lot of money, which is amazing. Also, base ecosystem going up. Oh, base ecosystem is going up. But wait, I was calling the base ecosystem going up like 3 months back when I was buying CLANKER. And I was buying CLANKER like crazy. I bought CLANKER at 25 mil. I bought CLANKER at 45 mil. And right now it's sitting at above 100 million market cap. Absolutely amazing, guys. That is a 4 to 5x for you. Isn't it true? That this is the reason you wanna be watching my videos. That is it. Now, every single market right now is going towards the all-time highs. You can see the Japanese Nikkei going towards the all-time highs. You can see how S&P is going towards the all-time highs. And you can see how Bitcoin is ready to go towards the all-time highs. I said in my last video that until the time we are not breaking below this trend line, you cannot be bearish. Do not be bearish until the time we are breaking below this trend line. We have been respecting this trend line since November 2022 when Bitcoin was 15.5k and now BTC is sitting at 115k. We are going to see an all-time high soon. We're going to see soon and we're going to see altcoins rising like crazy at a fast pace and you won't be able to sit in that boat, in that roller coaster. So you need to be ready with your limit orders. You need to be ready with your thesis. Now, why am I saying that the market is going to go up super quickly? Is because if you look at the stats, if you look at the November stats, then NASDAQ in November does never has a red month. Only once in the last 13 years, we have seen one red month for NASDAQ and that was only 0.26%. Absolutely crazy. If you look at Bitcoin average monthly returns in November is 46%, guys. 46%. If this happens, you know what's happening to your altcoins, right? They're going to go to the moon. They're actually going to go to the moon and you have to be in the right ones. That is the only thing. Mega earnings. Firstly, we've got the FOMC. We know what's happening there. You're going to have a 25 basis cut and then you've got Powell speaking as well. That is a little bit of drama, but we know what's happening there. It's known information, EMH, efficient market hypothesis, not a lot of focus there, but we've got mega tech earnings. 85% of the S&P companies have beat earnings this season and now we've got mega tech earnings. Microsoft, Meta, Google, Amazon, Coinbase, Apple, MicroStrategy, all of them coming up with the earnings. Analysts are expecting earnings beat here, which is going to give more positive momentum, sentiment to the market and investors will keep buying, which is why I believe that November is going to be amazing. Is that it? Is that it? No. Gold is starting to drop and we know that there is a inverse correlation between gold and Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin is lagging gold. So if gold is coming towards the downside, Bitcoin will rise towards the upside and altcoins will follow. Another one, guys, WIX. The implied volatility right now is going towards the downside and reaching the lowest levels. Soon it will reach the lowest levels as the market is going to go up. So that means there is less uncertainty and the markets will keep on rising. The risk ons will keep on rising. Be on the right side, guys. And by right side, I do not mean go all in into 10x, 20x, 30x leverage. No, no. Make sure that you're following your risk management. I always make sure that I have my spot sorted as well as my leverage account, futures account sorted, which is why I take mixed kind of trades. So for example, I took the CLANKER on my Discord. I posted it as well on Front Runners. This was a spot trade. And if you look at other trades, for example, Syrup and Sui, these were leverage trades. But if you look at Solana, that was only on Bitfunded. So I always make sure that I'm, putting my hands everywhere so I can be diversified in terms of trading, in terms of my own portfolio, in terms of tokens as well. If I'm not diversified, I'm not able to sleep. I'm that sort of a person because right now I'm not gambling. I'm actually trading, and trading for me is a business, guys. Understand that. Now, I've made a watch list for you guys. I've made a watch list. This has the best tokens, the evergreen tokens that I always talk about: Solana, Hyperliquid, Pump Fund, Syrup, Tau. Then it has got privacy tokens, ZCash and Dash. Then it's got some AI agents, virtual cookie, right? I don't know why Morpho is there, but I'm going to delete that. Then you've got base eco and oracles. Now I'm not going to talk about base ecosystem and oracles today. I'm going to talk about the evergreen tokens. I'm going to talk about the privacy tokens, and I'm going to talk about 2 AI agents that I believe can become into a trade, convert into a trade. Without wasting any time, guys, Solana narrative is amazing. I think you need to have Solana in your spot position. I've been talking about this since a long time now. Don't look at the price, buy Solana in your spot because it is the narrative. The metrics are pretty amazing in every single way. Solana, the chain, is killing it. Now the ETFs are going to be coming as well. We know that institutions are going to be pouring money into the ETFs as well as DATs. So Solana has the narrative in Q4. Solana will be going towards the all-time highs. You need to have Solana in your spot portfolio, and this is a multi-cycle hold. I keep reminding you guys because I believe that everyone should be owning good tokens. The second one is Hyperliquid. Now guys, Hyperliquid is a good token again, and I have in my spot. I've been talking about it from a long time, but if you want to buy leverage, then this is the trade for you. This is a simple trade for you. Now people will think that we've missed it. No, whenever you get a 8 to 10% discount on Hyperliquid this week, because there will be a discount when Powell comes in, when FOMC happens, when the earnings happen, there will be volatility, there will be a massive range in these altcoins. So whenever this thing comes down, you need to be buying. I'm going to update the levels here, one sec. For me, this is the level. Now, the perfect price would be 42.8, $43, let's say. $43 is going to be the trigger for me. I'm going to be taking this trade for sure. And I'm going to be taking this trade towards the new all-time highs, but obviously TPing in the middle. And my stop loss is going to be around 6.8%. So the total risk reward ratio is 5.55. And my TPs are going to be 46.5 first TP. Second TP is going to be 49.3. And the third TP, which is going to be Moonback, is going to be in the end. And that's going to be around $58. Guys, you can screenshot this, pause, write these things down, put it on your trading view, same chart. Because you know what, we're live trading, we're doing it together. We are actually doing it together. What happens with the updates, all these trade updates, because I'm not able to make a lot of videos, so all these updates are on Twitter. Now you can go to my Twitter and you can see all the updates, read these trades. Whatever trades I give here, I'm going to be updating those trades on my Twitter. So it's super easy for you guys, right? And it's all free as well, so don't worry about it. But what I would recommend is take these trades in your Bitfunded account as well, because then you can actually clear the prop trading and prop account, and you can actually trade with someone else's money and you can make more and more money. If your capital is limited, this is the best way to increase your capital, and it's prop trading. Bitfunded. Link is in the description, guys. See, Kapoor, how you're selling things now. I know, but I have to. You can't do anything. I'm kidding. The third token, of course, is Pump Fund. Now, Solana was the spot one. Now, Hyperliquid was a leverage trade, and evergreen third token is Pump Fund. Pump Fund, you need to be holding Pump Fund in your spot portfolio, but when it comes to a leverage trade, this is what I'm expecting. Now, where do I want to buy it? I want to buy it here. I want to buy it at 0.0049, which is 4.9 bill FDV. Whenever it breaks out, as soon as it breaks out, you can see Hyperliquid has already broken out. Now I'm waiting for Pump to break out as well. When it breaks out, comes here, that is your trade. You should be looking for a trade over here with a stop loss of around 6 to 7%, very similar to Hyperliquid. You're risking the same amount of money if you're doing it on Bitfunded. If you're doing it on your real account, you can alter the position a little bit, but Bitfunded, it has to be very disciplined. It has to be same amount every single time for every single trade. Risk the same amount of money. That is how you're gonna win. That is how you will be winning the challenge. The 4 token Syrup. I took the TP1 on Syrup. I showed you guys as well. Look at that. So yesterday I posted that still in the Syrup trade, and now looking for this LTF setup, which is waiting for this rounded bottom to break out. It broke out. You know what? It broke out. Look at that. Out of the prison, out of the jail, and we took TP1. Money. It's all about money. It's all about making money together. Guys. Where do you buy Syrup? Buy it here. Buy it here. Why? Look, I posted the whole thesis in the Discord. Maple Finance. Bro, this thing is one of the best, one of the most undervalued tokens in the market right now. And it's Syrup. Trust me. So buy spot right away and wait for the leverage trade. Wait for the leverage trade. I'm going to be giving this leverage trade on Twitter, but as soon as it breaks out, you can have a breakout trade for sure. With similar kind of risk management, with a 6% stop loss, 5x leverage, because you want to make sure that you're on the right side of the market. So make sure the risk management is perfect. No, don't trade. Don't ever trade without a stop loss. I've seen so many people trading without a stop loss and it hurts. I've done that. I've been there. I've done that. It's crazy. Now, the final Evergreen token I've got in front of you, it's an AI token, then we'll go into AI agents, is DAO. Guys. DAO halving is coming up. All right. Social mentions are going up. Now AI agents have started to pump. The subnets are going good as well. Money flowing into them. I believe some more consolidation here in a bull flag. I've been talking about this since this level, where when it was 10 days before. I've been talking about this, that there will be some consolidation and boom towards the upside. So I'm waiting for some more consolidation. Keep this in your watch list. My main aim is to make sure that your watch list is perfect, right? This is the watch list. No, this is the watch list. Yes. This screenshot this thing. Perfect. Now, moving ahead. So until now, I've only given you one trade, which is Hyperliquid, and I've said that, keep an eye on pump. But this is your watch list. Syrup and Solana, you need to buy spot Syrup and Solana, or you buy on Bitfunded with 1x leverage. Please do it. Zcash, this thing is going up. Don't buy. Do not buy something which is going up like crazy. It's going to the moon. But we don't want to go to the moon. Look, bull market is all about that. There will be a lot of parties. You don't have to attend every single party. Just go to one party, have fun, drink, make money, come back, sleep. That is it. And next day when people say, oh, there was a better party there, no. I don't care. I'm just going to go to the parties that I'm prepared for. As simple as that. I'm not going to listen to people talking about other parties that have already happened. And Zcash has already happened, guys. Don't be fooling yourself and buying it here. Please. I can't. I'm a trader. I want the perfect price. I trade like a predator. I don't look like a predator, but I trade like one. So some consolidation here. Do we buy? No. I want a proper dip. Or I'm not going to this party. And why am I showing this chart then? Because I want to make sure that people are not trading this thing. Now, I'm going to give you a level for Dash though. Dash level is perfect. This whole consolidation for me is amazing, is continuation towards the upside. So whenever you get this thing at $39.8 or $40, you can be taking a trade. And we're going to talk about that. When it comes down, we will take a trade. What if it breaks out? If it breaks out, consolidates, then we can take a trade too. But then you have to follow my Twitter. You have to be on my Twitter and you have to just press the bell icon so you can get all the trades, updates. That is where I'm mostly trading. And soon I'll be starting live trading as well though. The final token in my list is Virtuals. Now this thing is going up like crazy. Some consolidation, a bull flag creation, and then move towards the upside. This is my level. This right here is my level, 1.21. 1.21 is where I'm going to be taking this trade. And I believe that this narrative is not ending right now. So my stop loss is going to be around 8%. And I am taking this trade of 70%. The risk reward ratio is 8.21, which is quite amazing. And obviously TP is in the middle and that's going to be on Twitter. But make sure the leverage is low. Why? Because this can hurt you fast. This can hurt you very, very fast. So make sure your leverage is low. make sure you're waiting for some consolidation and a bull flag creation, guys. Here you go, guys. I've literally showed you everything. Why this week is important because of the Powell's FOMC, the Powell speech, mega tech earnings. You've got so many earnings coming up. Plus, I also gave you my watch list, which has got the Evergreen tokens, which has got these privacy tokens, which has got the AI agents. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about the base ecosystem as well as the oracles. So guys, we are up to date with the narratives. We are up to date with the charts. We are killing it with the trades. If you're not killing it with the trades, then you're not watching me properly, I think. And you're not followed on Twitter, like following me on Twitter. So make sure you do that. But until then, guys, take care. Bye-bye.